Welcome back to another video. So in this channel I make tutorials on Premiere Pro and Photoshop. So if you are new here, make sure to smash on the subscribe button and turn on notifications to watch more tutorials every week. Alright, today I will be showing you how to reverse play a clip using Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, first of all, what you need to do is bring in your video clip to your timeline set. And over here I have a video of a man running in the beach. In order to reverse this clip, all you have to do is simply select on your video, right click and find in for your speed and duration. Once you find your speed and duration, you will have a table like this popped up, and all you have to do is simply select the reverse speed box and simply hit OK. And now it would take a minute or two to load up your video and speed up the frames. Alright, now when you play the video, you would have that reverse clip created in Premiere Pro. And as you can see, the video is being played a bit too fast. So in order to reduce the speed, you just simply got to select the video, go back onto speed and duration, and reduce your speed effect from 100% to about 75%. And simply hit OK, and you would have a little bit of a slow-mo kind of effect created in your video. And there you go. I hope you benefited from this tutorial. Make sure to check out the video on the right hand corner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.